Tips and tricks of crocheting. How to make a long chain. First you make a slip knot. Then you chain off about 10 chains. Then you take your hook off your chain, put it back into the first chain that you made at the top of the first chain. Then bring it back up to the top of the loop and start making your chains. And this will help out with not turning your chains when you need to connect the two ends. And if you need to connect, this is to keep it all straight and you won't have any problems. So you slip stitch like that, and you start making your stitches into those chains. And I'll show you that in this video. Here's a close-up look. And speed it up. And tip number one, use your stitch markers. So I chained out 30 for you, and I'm counting out 10 right here. And this is your 10th chain, so you put a stitch marker to keep your count. Then you count another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you put your stitch marker, so it's 10 right here also. 10, 20, 30. That's how you keep your count when you're doing your projects. Straight edges. Chain 1, turn your work, and go right into that first space with your stitch. Don't skip it. So your edges could be perfectly straight. So I'm going to show you a couple of stitches, and then I'll show you at the end also. So here we're at the end, the last two. You see right here, I'm going to show you two V stitches that you should see. You see one right there where your hook is, and the last one. Those are the last two stitches you should be making. Last two. And just make it like that. Chain 1, turn your work, and go right into that space closest to your hook. Don't skip it. And keep your straight edges, see? Tip number 2, crochet with back loops through the front. And you won't get the perfect finish at the other side, so just turn your work a little bit, and you see these back bumps, the bumps on the back. That's what we'll be going through to do your back loops. It'll give you a better finish. See that bump right there? I just showed you the bump. You just hook through that bump and start off your single crochets or whatever stitch you want to use to start off. And just go through the bumps. I'm going through a couple, then I'll show you how it'll look on both sides. And with the back loops, you have the V's on this side, and you have the V's on this side. So when you have to do a border or come back to the end of your work, you could just come through these two loops, which most times you will be coming through these two loops. Now how I do double crochets and loop up. And double crochet, double crochet, double crochet. Now I'm gonna put this down. Start off your double crochet, wrap around your hook, put it into the next two chains, bring up one, wrap around, pull through two, grab your next change color, make it into, fold it in half, put your loop right into there, hold it tight, swoop, complete the double crochet, grab the long side, wrap it around your hook, put it in, and double crochet. And double crochet one more time into the last V-stitch. This is the last V-stitch. That's how you change colors. I'm gonna show you how I change colors. Wrap around, bring some up, wrap around, go through two, make a loop with your, new color, and put it on the loop, hold it in place, and pull through two. Then grab the big piece and bring the little one down and hold it. To weave it in so it can be tight. Keep going. And you can leave it there. Change the color back, bring it all up. Or you could. Now here, I'm going to show you how I start off the next row. Turn my work. Have your loop a little high because this is double crochet. And double crochet. One into that first space with the white. And I'm going to show you how to decrease, how I decrease with a double crochet. And I'm going to show you how to decrease this one right here. Pull through two. You have two in your hook. Wrap around. Pull through two. And pull through all 3. That's the decrease for you right there. Decrease is 1, 2, 3. Instead of 4, it's 3. And you keep going. Oops. And it's a decrease because we had 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have 5. That's how I decrease. That's 1. That's 2. Add new yarn. Add on another yarn. So we getting 2 different colors. And you're going to put one knot here and one knot there. So and make sure each knot on both sides are tight. One down here, make sure it's tight. Put it really tight. That's one knot. Make another knot right here. Make it really tight. And they're both connected to each other. You had 2 knots here. Then you pull these yarns like that. And pull it. And then cut off the 2 ends that are hanging out. Snip. And with doing this, snip. That knot should blend right into your project. And seeing it won't come out. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.